What if forgetting where you left your keys wasn't just normal aging? What if repeating the same question, getting lost in familiar places, or struggling to find simple words were actually early warning signs of something much more serious? Dementia affects millions of people worldwide, and one of the biggest mistakes people make is dismissing the earliest symptoms as just getting older. The good news? Recognizing the warning signs early can help individuals and families seek medical support sooner and potentially slow the progression of cognitive decline. Let's explore the most common early warning signs of dementia that many people overlook. Everyone forgets things occasionally, but dementia-related memory loss is different. One of the earliest signs is repeatedly forgetting recently learned information. A person may ask the same question several times, forget important appointments, or rely heavily on reminder notes for tasks they once handled easily. The key difference is that these memory problems begin interfering with daily life. It's not simply forgetting a name once in a while. It's forgetting conversations that happened just hours ago. Another early sign is trouble with language. People developing dementia may suddenly struggle to find common words during conversation. They might stop in the middle of a sentence, lose their train of thought, or substitute unusual words for familiar objects. For example, calling a watch the thing that tells time. Conversations become increasingly frustrating because the brain has difficulty retrieving information it once accessed effortlessly. Many people with early dementia begin struggling with routine activities they've performed for years. Tasks like cooking a favorite recipe, balancing a checkbook, operating household appliances, or following familiar instructions suddenly become confusing. The issue isn't a lack of knowledge. The brain is having difficulty processing and organizing information. Activities that once felt automatic now require intense concentration. Have you ever walked into a room and forgotten why you went there? That's normal, but dementia can cause something much more severe. People may forget the current date, season, or even where they are. Some become disoriented in familiar neighborhoods they've known for decades. They may leave home and suddenly be unable to remember how to get back. This type of confusion should never be ignored. Early dementia can also affect judgment. People may make unusually poor financial decisions, fall for scams, neglect personal hygiene, or behave in ways that seem out of character. Family members often notice these changes before the individual does. What appears to be carelessness may actually be a warning sign that cognitive functions are beginning to decline. One of the most overlooked signs of dementia involves emotional and personality changes. A normally calm person may become anxious, suspicious, fearful, or easily irritated. Others may withdraw from social activities they once enjoyed. These changes occur because dementia affects regions of the brain responsible for emotions, behavior, and social interaction. Loved ones often describe it as feeling like the person's personality is slowly changing. Dementia doesn't usually appear overnight. Its earliest warning signs often emerge gradually and can be easy to miss. Memory loss that disrupts daily life, language difficulties, confusion, poor judgment, and personality changes are all important signals that deserve attention. Experiencing one of these symptoms doesn't automatically mean someone has dementia. However, persistent or worsening symptoms should be discussed with a healthcare professional. Early detection can lead to earlier treatment, better planning, and improved quality of life. If you found this video helpful, share it with someone who may benefit from learning these warning signs. Awareness could make a life-changing difference.